Lesson: Regulatory Compliance in AI Applications. Regulatory compliance in AI applications is a critical area of focus for AI architects and professionals aiming to ensure ethical practices and governance. As AI technologies advance, they bring increasing regulatory scrutiny, necessitating a thorough understanding of compliance frameworks and actionable strategies to manage these requirements effectively. AI systems have the potential to significantly impact society, leading to a growing need for regulatory mechanisms that ensure these technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. A primary concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate biases, invade privacy, or otherwise operate in ways that are not transparent or accountable. Regulatory compliance in AI, therefore, involves navigating a complex landscape of laws and guidelines designed to mitigate these risks and ensure ethical use. One of the most influential frameworks in AI regulation is the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, which serves as a benchmark for data protection and privacy. The GDPR emphasizes user consent, data protection by design, and the right to data access and deletion. For AI professionals, implementing GDPR compliance involves integrating privacy-preserving techniques such as anonymization and encryption, conducting data protection impact assessments, and maintaining transparent data processing activities. Another pivotal regulatory framework is the AI Act proposed by the European Union, which categorizes AI systems based on their risk level and imposes requirements accordingly. High-risk AI applications, such as those used in critical infrastructure or biometric identification, must adhere to stringent requirements that include risk management systems, high-quality datasets, documentation, and human oversight. AI architects must familiarize themselves with these risk categories and implement appropriate measures to ensure compliance, such as developing robust risk assessment processes and establishing clear lines of accountability. In the United States, the Federal Trade Commission provides guidelines that, while not AI-specific, are applicable to AI technologies. These guidelines emphasize the importance of truthfulness, transparency, and the avoidance of deceptive practices. AI professionals should ensure their systems are designed to provide clear and understandable explanations of how decisions are made, particularly in consumer-facing applications. This can be achieved through the use of explainable AI tools, which help demystify algorithmic decisions and build trust with users. To implement these regulatory requirements effectively, AI professionals can utilize practical tools and frameworks. One such tool is the Open Compliance and Ethics Group's GRC capability model, which provides a structured approach to governance, risk management, and compliance. This model helps organizations align their practices with regulatory expectations by offering a comprehensive framework that addresses governance structures, risk assessment, compliance processes, and performance management. By leveraging this model, AI architects can systematically integrate compliance into their development and operational processes. Another effective tool is the use of compliance management software, such as OneTrust or TrustArc, which facilitates the automation of compliance activities. These platforms offer features like data mapping, consent management, and incident response, enabling organizations to maintain compliance with data protection regulations efficiently. By incorporating these tools, AI professionals can streamline compliance tasks, reduce the risk of non-compliance, and focus on strategic objectives. Real-world examples illustrate the importance of regulatory compliance in AI applications. For instance, the controversy surrounding facial recognition technology highlights the need for stringent regulatory oversight. In 2020, Clearview AI faced legal challenges and regulatory scrutiny for its use of facial recognition software, which scraped images from social media without users' consent. This case underscores the necessity for AI architects to prioritize user privacy and consent, ensuring that their systems comply with relevant data protection laws and ethical standards. Similarly, the deployment of AI in healthcare presents unique regulatory challenges. AI systems used for diagnostic purposes must comply with medical device regulations, which require rigorous testing and validation to ensure safety and efficacy. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration provides guidelines for the development and evaluation of AI-driven medical devices, emphasizing the importance of clinical validation and post-market surveillance. AI professionals in the healthcare sector must engage with these regulatory frameworks to ensure their products meet the necessary standards for patient safety. AI architects can enhance their proficiency in regulatory compliance by adopting a proactive approach to education and training. Staying informed about evolving regulations and industry best practices is crucial. Participating in workshops, webinars, and certification programs, such as the CompTIA AI Architect Plus certification, provides valuable insights into compliance requirements and strategies for implementation. Networking with peers and engaging with industry groups can also facilitate knowledge sharing and collaborative problem solving. Furthermore, organizations should foster a culture of compliance by promoting ethical awareness and accountability at all levels. This involves establishing clear policies and procedures, providing regular training, and encouraging open communication about compliance challenges and solutions. By embedding a compliance mindset within the organizational culture, AI professionals can ensure that regulatory considerations are integrated into every stage of the AI lifecycle, from design and development to deployment and monitoring. In conclusion, regulatory compliance in AI applications is a multifaceted challenge that requires a comprehensive understanding of relevant laws and guidelines, as well as practical tools and frameworks for implementation. By leveraging tools like the OCGRC capability model and compliance management software, AI professionals can effectively integrate compliance into their operations. Real-world case studies, such as those involving facial recognition and healthcare AI, highlight the importance of adhering to regulatory standards to avoid legal and ethical pitfalls. By prioritizing education, fostering a culture of compliance, and engaging with industry best practices, AI architects can navigate the regulatory landscape effectively, ensuring the ethical and responsible deployment of AI technologies.